Process.st is a game changer when it comes to managing financial processes efficiently. Whether you're handling budgeting, tracking investments, or streamlining client invoicing, Process.st can help you automate and manage your financial workflows in a simple, user-friendly interface. And the best part? You can try it for free with our exclusive bonuses by clicking the link in the description below. Stick around to the end because I'll show you how to set up these processes in no time, and you won't want to miss the exclusive extended free trial offer we have for you. When you first sign into Process.st, you'll be greeted with an intuitive dashboard where you can create, track, and automate financial processes. Let's start with the basics, creating a new process. To do this, click Create a new template and give your process a relevant name like Client Invoicing or Monthly Budget Review. This is where you can lay out all the steps involved in the process. Once your template is created, it's time to add tasks. Each task represents a step in your financial process. For instance, in an invoicing process, tasks might include generate invoice, review client account, and send to client. Process.st allows you to add detailed instructions for each task, so everyone involved in the process knows exactly what to do. What's great about Process.st is its flexibility. You can assign tasks to team members, set due dates, and add conditional logic, meaning that if one task is completed, the next task is automatically triggered. This is especially useful when dealing with multi-step financial processes, where certain steps can't move forward without completing the ones before them. Imagine automating your monthly finance reporting process or the steps to reconcile client accounts. Process.st makes it all possible. Now let's talk about automation. If you're handling multiple clients or managing repetitive financial tasks, automating can save you tons of time. With Process.st, you can integrate with other apps like Zapier, QuickBooks, or Google Sheets, so data automatically flows between your tools without manual input. For example, after generating an invoice in QuickBooks, Process.st can automatically move that task to Send Invoice in your template. This removes the need for constant switching between apps and helps ensure accuracy in your financial reporting. Another awesome feature is task assignments. If you have a team, you can assign individual tasks to specific team members, and they'll receive automatic notifications. You can also add detailed instructions to each task. This ensures everyone knows exactly what's expected, even if they're new to the process. Whether it's sending client reports, reconciling accounts, or handling payroll, everyone stays aligned, reducing the risk of errors. Let's not forget about tracking progress. Process.st allows you to track the completion of every task in real time. If you have recurring financial processes, like monthly budget tracking or quarterly audits, you can set up these workflows and track progress on each task. The software lets you see how long tasks are taking and identify bottlenecks in your workflow. For anyone who is managing financial processes with multiple steps, templates are a huge time saver. Once you've built your first process template, you can easily copy it for future use or tweak it as necessary. So, if you're managing finances for different clients or different projects, you can have a standard process that ensures consistency while saving you time on setup. By now, you can see how Process.st helps make financial workflows smoother and more efficient. If you're ready to start using it, you can get started for free. And don't forget to check out the link below for our exclusive offer, where you can access an extended free trial of Process.st. So, to wrap up, using Process.st for your financial processes is simple, powerful, and efficient. Whether you're automating invoices, tracking budgets, or improving financial reporting, Process.st can help you get it done. Get started today with the free trial linked below, and don't miss out on the extended trial with exclusive bonuses that we've got for you.